Our next topic is statistics. Do you know what is the meaning of statistics? If I am talking about the statistic using mean, median, mode, index number, range, quartile, all these things are the statistics. But no, these are different methods to calculate for the value. Now, first of all, the first point is from where this statistics comes. The statistics, the word statistics is derived from 4 languages. First, Latin word, that is taken from the Latin word status. Italian word, that is taken from the statista. And German word, that is known as statistics. And Greek word, statisticou. So, the meaning of all these 4 words is political state. Political state means, statistics mean it gives the information to us. So, let us take different example. I am taking cricketer fans. So, those who are cricketer fans, the meaning of that person statistics is numerical information of the score. Which person makes how much score. So, numerical information score is called the statistics for the cricketer fan. If we are talking about the environmental status means information on the quality of a population. Information on the quality of the population that environmentalists get the statistics. Weather department. Weather department, what is the importance of statistics for the weather department? It gives a maximum and minimum temperature, rainy season or other different statistical data. Share broker. For what is the meaning of statistics for the share broker? Which are the changes in the share price? So, change in share price, what is the fluctuation in prices of the shares, that is called the statistics. So, these 4 examples I am telling you, it is clearly what is the meaning of statistics. So, statistics is a branch of mathematics dealing with collection, analysis, interpretation and the presentation of numerical data. Any numerical data which we have to collect, analyze, interpret and present, that is called the statistics. So, statistics we study in 2 sense. One is a plural sense and another is a singular sense. If we are talking about the plural sense means numerical informations. Plural sense means numerical information. And singular sense means methods of dealing with information. Here we are collecting the numerical information. Here with this information, methods of dealing with the information. Which methods we are using for collecting this numerical information, that is called the singular sense. So, statistics study in 2 sense. One is a singular and another is a plural. So, which are the features of statistics in a plural sense? In a plural sense, which is known as, is it a statistics or not? The first point is aggregate of facts. Aggregate means total. Aggregate of facts is called the statistics. A single number doesn't considered as a statistic. Suppose we are talking about a one person age of a one person, that is not called as statistics. If we are talking about the different person's age is this, the average age of a person is 30 years. So, then this is called the statistics. So, statistics study the aggregate of the facts. Single number is not called the statistics. Single number जो है वो statistics जो है वो नहीं है. Second is affected by multiplicity of causes. Affected by multiplicity of causes means one value is affected by so many other factors. Like in previous chapter, we have to discuss about the demand. So demand is affected by different factors, price also, related goods, income, taste. All these factors are affected to the demand. So this numerical information, because I'm telling you statistics is a numerical information in case of plural sense. So this information which we get from the plural sense is affected by the multiplicity of causes, not only with a single case. Third is numerically expressed. Any value which we can express in the number. Already I told you statistics is a numerical information. Any value which we have to count in the numbers, numerically expression is known as statistics as a plural sense. If we cannot express any value in numerically, that is not called the statistics. It means if quality, if I am talking about the honesty, the person is how much the person is honest, intelligence, these are the attributes, these are the quality. So if we can express the data in the numerical form, that is called the statistics. Predetermined purpose. Predetermined purpose means in a statistics already we have to decide some purpose. After that we have to collect some information. So this numerical data which we have to collect, already we have to decide our purpose, why I am collecting this data. So it is a decided, predetermined. Reasonable statement of accuracy. Reasonable standard of accuracy means whenever we have to collect the data, this data is collected by the expert. So there is a reasonable standard accuracy is there. Systematical manner. It's very important. We say that economics is a science in which we have to collect the data in the systematical manner. Systematical manner means step by step we have to do the work. Whenever we have collect this information in a systematical manner, we have to collect this data in place of each other. In place of each other means we can collect whatever we have to collect. We can use, if we can use this data in place of each other. For example, numerical information, I have collected the numerical information for my purpose. But if somebody as a secondary data wants to use this data, so we can use this data in place of each other. So these are the features of statistics in the plural sense. So what, from where the statistics comes? For the different person, the meaning of statistics is different. What is the meaning of statistics? How many types of statistics in singular or in plural sense? What are the features of statistics in sense of plural sense? First is aggregate of facts affected by multiplicity of causes, numerically expressed, predetermined purpose, reasonable standard of accuracy, systematical manner, in place of each other. So this is our topic of statistics.